Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to duo in the Monkey app. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to the Monkey app. Then click on Duo and you will see an interface with sharing options. So, click copy link to share. Now, new window will open. Read it if you want. After that, click OK and minimize your browser. Now create a new text document and I will rename it as a link. Now I am going to paste the copied link into this document and remove any unnecessary text to get a clean link. Now you can send this link to your friend so they can join you as a duo. I will show you how it works. I have opened another Monkey app account and pasted the link. Now both accounts are connected. You will see a black webcam because my webcams are covered. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.